because I am up and out. I am heading out. But anyway, so today I'm actually on a mission to find yet again some more uniforms, some more scrubs. So I ordered scrubs, and the ones that I got, I love them. My husband doesn't love them, so he feels like they're a little too tight, and so I'm going to see if I can. The pants fit fine to me, but I want to see if I can get some bigger tops. So yeah, so I'm actually going to a uniform shop here where I live just to see what they have. And then once I go there, prayerfully, I can find what I need here and not have to go anywhere else, because the next place I would end up having to go is like a 45-minute to an hour drive from me, from home. And I really, really, really don't want to have to go down there today, because I start my new job tomorrow. So yeah, so I did get clearance, so all of my stuff came back. My background checks are back, so everything is clear. I've been cleared to start. Now yesterday when I spoke with her, we were supposed to start Monday. So Monday the background check was not back, so I was not able to start on Monday. So today is Wednesday, so I'll be starting Thursday, which is tomorrow. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So right now I'm actually heading out to try and make sure I have everything I need to start my new position tomorrow. So yeah, so I'm gonna bring you all along with me. I already had breakfast, I'm drinking my coffee now. So yeah, so we're gonna run over here to this uniform shop first and see what they have, and see, you know, what I can find. And prayerfully I'll find what I need, because I do not want to have to go out further today. I'm really just not feeling it today. I don't want to do that. I really would love to just stay home today and focus on making sure, you know, I got everything at the house situated, know what I'm going to do for lunch and all of that, versus having to come out here. But anyway, I'll pull you all back up when I get there. All right, so we're going here. I can already tell you I don't like these scrubs. That I can already tell you. But we're gonna go in here and see what they have. This place is called Woody's Scrubs and Shirts. So yeah, so I'm gonna see what they have here and see if I can find anything I like, and then I'll pull you all back up. All right guys, so I'm here at the uniform shop. I'm trying on these uniform here. I like these a lot. Now this is the Epic brand, and this is the jogger, and I love how these fit. I absolutely love the shirt. But I'm going to try the shirt that tucks in, but I do like this one here. That looks good. So yeah, so I'm not going to have to go nowhere further. I can get them from right here. And yeah, I love it. It fits so good and it's so comfortable. It fits so good on. Hey guys, welcome back. I have just gotten back home. This is where I went. This is my bag. I got 2 uniforms. And the name of this is Woody's Shirts and Scrubs. It's local to where I live. So I'm going to show you what I got. All right, so this is what I purchased. So this here is the brand that she told me that is really popular here. You know, we have Georgia Southern here. So all of the kids that's in nursing school, they get these types of uniforms. And she said this is a really good brand. And she never lied. When I tried these on, and I do have a video, a clip that I did put in here of the uniform when I tried it on, it fits so doggone good. I really love them. The pants I got are the jogger legs. And so yeah, so these are the 2 uniforms that I purchased this morning when I went out. And these are the little badge peel pendant here. And then I was able to get 2 of these to go on it, so I can interchange them out. So yeah, so I'm gonna probably start work tomorrow. So I'm gonna wear this one tomorrow and this one Friday. And then today, my other uniforms will be here that I ordered from Amazon. So I'm gonna be set for quite a while with uniforms, guys. But yeah, so these are the uniforms I purchased, and I'm so glad that my husband sent me that link. Thank you, baby. So that I could go right down the street. I did not have to drive an hour to pick up uniforms, but I went there to this one. Now the uniforms I purchased $38.99 each, but I also got a 20% off of each. And you know, you have to buy them separately. And I prefer that because I like the fact of having the shirt. I can buy my shirts a different size than my pants, but these I got a large, so all of them are a large. And I knew I fit a large. So yeah, I got my uniform pants. They look so good and they fit very well. So that is what they're looking like. So I got the navy blue, and I got the shirt that hangs on the outside, because what she told me was when you buy the shirt that has a tuck in, those shirts are made a little bit smaller. And that's why the ones I purchased from Amazon fit a little differently. But yeah, so I'm very pleased with this. So now I got my clothes for work. So I got my uniforms, and now I just need to go in here and make sure I pack my lunch, make sure I, gonna know what I'm gonna have for lunch and all of that. So I will bring you all back, okay? So stay tuned. Guys, so today I am going to wear this uniform here. And I'm gonna have on these shoes here. These are my Nike, is it Reacts? Reacts Run 5, okay? Husband bought me these about a year or two ago. I think I wore them for 1 hour. So I'm gonna wear these today. That's drying, let me go ahead and put on my shirt. All right, guys, so I am fully dressed for work. So found my shoes and uniform, and I just need to go and do my face and do my hair, put on my earrings, and then we can head downstairs. All right, guys, so I'm done now. I'm gonna go ahead and try and do a little something to my face. I'm not doing a lot. Today is Thursday. I'm already sweating, so we're not doing a lot of makeup. I'm not doing no, what do you call it? Primer or anything. I'm just going to put on my makeup today. I'm not even going to put on eyeliner today because my eye is still messed up from that eyeliner. So I'm probably have to throw that out and get me a new one, new eyeliner pencil. Because I'm not sure what went on with that one, why it bothered my eye so bad. But we letting it ride. Perfume. I don't have no perfume, y'all. This is the only thing I have right now. So I already got a perfume in my cart because I don't have perfume. When you work from home, you really don't, do all that extraness. But yeah, put this hair up and do my edges. Let me go ahead and hair doesn't really need spraying much. Better. And then this side, let's see if I got a small pen. That is. I meant to cut my nails yesterday because they are a little too long. And now. So this is what I will be putting on my arms and my hands. Hardly. I need to get a big thing of moisturizer. Guys, so. Alright, so now let me get my little watch. Because today I'm going to definitely wear my watch. Alright, so I got my watch. I don't wear this every day, but now that I'm working, I probably will wear it every day. It keeps up with my steps, my heart rate. I can read my text on this. I can answer my phone on this. It's not a Apple Watch, but it is a smartwatch. And I absolutely love this little thing. I want to get different bands, though, because you can swap out the bands on it. So yeah, I've had this now for maybe about 2 years. Okay. So anyway, got that done. So let's go in here. All right, Bells, I'm getting ready to go. All right, so this little thing here, I want to change it. So the thing is, you just take this off. This little card has a Velcro sticky, and you can just stick this one back on there. And then the pendant I bought has the Velcro sticky. And you want to change your graphic badge, because I want to put this one on. All you do is change it, put it straight on here. Let's make sure it's on there good. All right, let's see. All right, but that's how it does, okay? And now I have on a different little tag puller. But yeah, so anyway, let's get downstairs. All right, so I'm dressed. I'm getting ready to walk out. So in my bag, let me show you what I have for lunch. So for lunch, I have a protein shake, a banana for snack. Well, let me back up. Lunch is the tuna in the little dish. And then for snack, I do have some yogurt, a banana, and a string cheese, and I bought Ensure because I'm not sure how hungry I'll be. You just never know. So I just wanted to make sure I had more than enough. And then I have my protein coffee here and my water, my purse, and it is 7:32. So we're getting ready to head out the door. I'll pull you back up in a moment. All right, guys. So I'm in my car now. I'm heading on out to work. So it is 7:41. I have to be to work at 8 o'clock. So now I didn't have time to, I would have had time. My alarm went off at 5:45 and I laid in the bed. I did not get up at that time. I snoozed till 6 o'clock. So, yeah, tomorrow I'll make sure I get up at 5:45. When I came out for my interview and like when I would come out in the middle of the daytime, traffic is not like this, but this morning traffic is kind of heavy. So, yeah, and it seems like these red lights stay red longer. So yes, I'm actually heading on to work now. Today I know I have to walk over and get my badge once I get here because I don't have my badge yet. And then I know I gotta have a second TB skin test. So I'll probably go and let her place that today if she can do it, if she can fit me in. And then I'm not sure what I'll do today. I'm probably sure I'll be training today or orientation. I don't know. But whatever I'm gonna be doing, I know I won't be able to record because this is my first day on the job. I don't know the job yet. I don't know the people. And so recording is going to be the last thing on my mind. So yeah, so I'll probably just pull you back up around my lunch break or like if I take a break or something, I'll pull you back up then. But yeah, right now I'm going to get off of this so that I can focus on the road. And if when I get to work I have time to pull you back up, I will, okay? Stay tuned. All right, guys, so I am at work. I just got here. I have to be there at 8, so I'm going to go in here. It's 10 till. So I'm going to go ahead in because I still need to go and pick up my badge. And I need to find out where where I clock in at and where I put my lunch, my purse, and all of that. So I'm not going to spend a lot of time out here on this here recording for you all. I will come back and pull you back up around lunchtime, okay?